illusions dead long ago. Desperate measures call for desperate hours. Too late to run, it's all coming down. Blame someone else, nowhere to be found. Works upon the words, nothing's to be heard. The truth turns to a lie, laughing to a cry. This don't seem right to me, just a fantasy. Dreams within a dream, memories it seems. Hands that slip away without a trace are left for dead in this place. I've crossed this ocean before 1,000 nightmares ago. I still see the ghost of your face, rolling on endless waves. A dream that now is lost. Come now, the hours are running out. Stay here, I'll be where the moon is up, but I won't leave with the break of dawn.